Check. Too many presidents in one wounded land. Too many deals signed by the same tired hand. Dividing the people by tribe and by name. Turning our history into a marketplace game. Losing our coastline, our oil and sand. While world powers redraw maps of our land. In perfect position, in perfect time. They cut us apart like organized crime. We couldn't defend what our fathers gave because leaders were busy digging their grave. Not with bullets, but greed in their pockets. Selling the keys while locking the locket. Tell me which warlord made his tribe rise. Which one made him wealthy before his empire dies. Show me one name that lasted forever. Or was it all smoke and divide and clever? Somalia doesn't need another fake crown. Another stew wearing king of a broken town. Youth rise up, don't wait, don't slow. Before there's nothing left at all. Dakina Hoyo is pouring our soul. Can we be pure, can we make it whole? Dakina Hoyo is pouring our soul. Can we rebuild, can we make it whole? They say we're rising, getting back to our feet, but we still import the food that we eat. 99% from outside the shore. We don't even build what we once built before. The struggle comments that you borrow and spend. Using the dollar like it's our only friend. Claiming recovery, claiming we're strong, but the coma was peaked, then it lost it too long. The well stays alive by invading the weak. Looting the silent, questioning me. When we were bleeding and losing our breath, they controlled the switch between life and death. We were in coma, silent and cold. While others decided what pieces were sold. They turned off the life support quietly and called it peace publicly. Not another fake leader feeling his clan. While the nation collapses under his plan. You could Somalia think before late. Rebuild law, rebuild state. Dakina Somalia must stand. So one nation united, oh we fall. We've been dead a long time. We're still walking, a body without direction, a flag without protection. Can we reclone our soul? Can we breathe as a whole? Or will we stay divided while the last piece is sold? Law and order must return, justice must replace the burn. Before our children ask one day, why did you let them give it away? Lies, no more elders straight in disguise. Youth awaken, take control, rebuild the land, reclaim the soul. Somalia will live again, but not through greed, not through man. Who shall tomorrow for today's goal? The question is not forget, the question is, will we rise bold? Will we rise?